little bit of a surprise. Is it going to be the sophomores? How about the juniors? How about the seniors? Alright, well I'm going to give away one right now. I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now that the winner of the Spirit Shirt competition. Let me tell you this first. Let me tell you who came in second place. Second place for the Spirit Shirt competition is the sophomores! Which means the Spirit Shirt competition went to the senior. Alright, so we have two more things that we will be announcing. The Spirit Stick is real important. Mr. Gordon, how important is it?
The Spirit Stick.
Well, here we are.
Anything about school spirit. Bulldog Nation, Bennett, Bulldog. Let's give it up a round of applause. And I'm a little bit upset about your marching in today, Scott.
Hey, hold up. Let me explain something to you. I'm fixing to introduce the recipient of the 2016 Spirit Stick. The 3-count heavyweight
Like I said before, I'm not here for you to challenge for this. Saturday night, September the 10th, 3-Count Pro Wrestling will be center stage right here at Bowling Springs High School again, but I've got a challenge for you. This time, Scott Stallion, the title's not on the line. I want what matters to you most. I want on Saturday night, September the 10th, for you to put your teaching career on the line right here at Bowling Springs High School. If you lose, you turn in your resignation in front of the world, and you walk out those doors, and you never, ever come back. Stop. I didn't insult you enough. You gotta go talk to the boss. You don't know being a pushover to authority. Look at me when I'm talking to you. You keep him away from my guy. You keep him away. Lord Stallion. Stallion, we know what you can do because we're seeing it happen. You've already put this to rest. But those type of individuals keep coming back. I want you to know that the teachers believe in you, but so did the body believes in you. Listen to them. They support you on any way that you go. I don't worry. You go in around with that individual, you'll come back and you'll have your job. Because I